So I've been using some data analysis AI recently, and one of my favorite tools to use is this tool called Julius. Not that one, this one. One of the best ones out there for data analysis as far as I can tell. Now, if you want to go a little bit deeper than this video, I'm actually doing a 3-part series with SGR, the Wednesday webinar. It's going to be diving into how to use data and how to use different AI driven data analysis tools like this one I'm going to show you right here. It's be a very basic one, but here we go. Here's what it looks like. Now, I am right here on the Julius webpage, but try it for free. This is going to be just the free version. I'm going to show you we can do this. It's pretty awesome. Now, what I'm going to show you here is I have a file that's already ready to go here. It's a image file of, basically it's just Schedule E of a budget form from an Arizona city and town. I'll show you this right here. Here it is for the city of Jerome or town of Jerome. It's their expenditures and expenses by fund for the city of Jerome, Arizona. So with that showing here, I want to say I want a visual breakdown of general fund expenditures by department for the budgeted 2025 expenditures. Okay, and Julius is going to start thinking, kind of looking at this here, extract the information, and then we're going to go through and have it all right here. Here we go. It gave me the table first, which looking at that before, that's pretty accurate. I was able to pull all that in. Could generate this, could visualize a bar chart. Now I'm going to change the chart type here and do something different. I could show you the image real quick here, but here's the bar chart right here. Pretty basic, not bad. But I'm going to do instead here, I'm going to say, let's do this as a donut chart with the total expenditures in the middle. Okay, so it's going through running the Python code. I love how fast this is and how quickly we can do this. One quick tip for you. So city budget forms are really kind of weird. So it's kind of a weird, funky way of doing it with the city budget form. At least in Arizona, it's kind of funky. And sometimes AI tools aren't the best to be able to parse out that information, that data very quickly. So what I find helpful is if I take a screenshot or if I just snip that one page and upload that one page I'm looking at, that can be a really helpful way of doing it as these AI tools figure out how to, manage and how to get the different city budget forms and municipal budget forms into their system, something that feels like they're still trying to learn how to do that. But here we go. Now I like this way better. I like donut charts better for something like this, especially if you're looking at the total, right? So we can say, okay, all right, general government is 22% of the whole, police is 30.3%, fire is 24.7% of the total here. So I can see what that looks like total. Like, okay, how much is this going to spend on the total of all the general revenue funds? I think Julius is just a phenomenal tool. There's other stuff you can do with it too that we'll get into again at our SGR Wednesday webinar. So really hope you get a chance to check that out. If you're watching this before then, it's the first Wednesday of the month when I get to join and share about some AI stuff. If it's past the first Wednesday of the month, go back and watch those videos. I think you find a lot of use out of them. I know I do. I know I enjoy putting those together for the team at SGR. So maybe you'll enjoy the same thing too. Go ahead and check out their YouTube channel and see those different Wednesday webinars. And they do that every single Wednesday. I just happen to do the first Wednesday of the month, but there's a whole bunch of other stuff on there too for local government. So be sure to check them out. So like I said, just a quick video for today. Just want to show you this really fast, what this looks like with Julius and how quickly we're able to visualize data from Julius AI. Until next time, be well. If you want to watch another video about AI, go ahead and click right here. YouTube thinks you'd like that one.